In this tutorial we're looking at creating your own banner. This tool can be used many times over and it's totally free. The address for the site will appear in our documentation. So this area A contains the banner that we're currently working on. First thing we want to do is to change the layout. Our banner sizes are 468 by 60. If I scroll down and update my banner, you see the new size banner. You can see the default text they have doesn't fit within the borders, but it's easy to move this content around. Next thing I want to do is to decide on the background. I can either use a solid color or a gradient color, or I could actually upload my own image, or if you have a background that you know somewhere else, you can get the URL address for that particular background. We're going to use a gradient. The two gradient colors, I'll click in this box. We'll select a purple type background first, then I'm going to select the bluey color. I'm going to select the circle gradient type, and now I'll update the banner. So you can see we've got the blue color and the purple in the middle. You can keep trying these out to get one that really suits your particular desire. Next thing we're going to look at is the text and the fonts. So we're going to change the main text to Merry Christmas. Of course, you can change this to whatever you wish. And a Happy New Year. Once again, I'll come down and update, and there's the text, and once again I can move it around. You can see that you could actually put up to 6 different lines. You can change the font sizes, the font styles, and so on. The colors of the fonts all within this screen. Next thing we'll do is shadows and effects. We don't actually want to do any shadows, but again, each of your 6 lines you could put shadows against some of these, the distance that you want, colors, and so on. Look at border. You can choose the type of border that you want. It currently defaults to none. If I select solid and update the banner, you can see a single border going round. The format is the type of file that you're going to save. You can usually use the defaults, would be sufficient, but you can again try these depend on your particular requirements. So I've now created my banner. All I need to do is to select the option to download it and continue with this process. I then have my banner. If you would actually want to create the code that links it to a particular website, one of your websites or pages and so on, you could use Get the Codes option. That will allow you to put in an address and will actually create all the code that you need to put it on your own sites. So that's how easy it is to create your own banners using this free tool.